Today, I'm talking about type 1 and 2 diabetes. So if you're someone who may be a diabetic, or if you're someone who's struggling with high blood sugar, struggling with trying to maintain it, or even if you're having consistent cravings, or if you're battling fatigue, then your body may be sending you warning signs. There are many natural ways to help to manage this condition and improve your blood sugar. So diabetes is really a hormonal imbalance issue. So that means that it can affect your energy, your weight, and even your heart health. I'll be covering what diabetes is, what causes it, and I'll be going over 5 powerful natural herbal supplements you can start taking today to help manage and support your health of your blood sugar. And I'll also share some easy lifestyle changes that you can start making today that will make a huge difference in your health as well. Diabetes is a condition where the body is struggling to regulate blood sugar levels. Blood sugar, also known as glucose, comes from the food that we eat. And our body needs the hormone insulin to move that sugar from the blood into our cells for energy. So there are 2 types of diabetes. Type 1, which is autoimmune, and this happens when the body's immune system attacks the cells in the pancreas that produces the hormone insulin. And this happens because the body can't tell the difference between normal or foreign cells, which results in the body attacking itself. So the good cells are being affected here in type 1. And that results in little to no insulin being produced by the pancreas. And so therefore, what happens is the blood sugar stays high. In type 2 diabetes, this happens when the body still makes some amount of insulin, but the cells stop responding to the insulin. So this is called insulin resistant. And over time, the pancreas gets overworked and can't do its job. It can't keep up. So this also leads to high blood sugar levels in the blood. So the key to remember is that insulin is the star of the show here. That's what's most important, because we need insulin to do its job. And in diabetes, you're either producing it a little bit or you're not producing it. So here's how insulin works in a healthy body system. Food is eaten, which when we eat food, our blood sugar rises. And when we eat carbohydrates, food is broken down into glucose, which enters the bloodstream. The pancreas then releases insulin in response to the rising blood sugar. Then the pancreas begins to produce insulin, which acts like a key to help sugar to enter the cells. The cells absorb the glucose for energy, and insulin allows glucose to enter the muscle, fat, and the liver cells, where it is used for energy or stored later. Blood sugar levels then return to normal. And once the cells absorb that glucose, the blood sugar levels drop and the pancreas reduces the insulin production. So that in a nutshell is how the insulin is supposed to work. So why is this important? It's important because the insulin prevents high blood sugar or hyperglycemia in the first place. It also helps to provide energy for the body to help it function properly. It also helps to store extra glucose in the liver for later use. It also helps to support muscle growth and fat storage when insulin is working properly, so that the body can maintain stable blood sugar levels and function efficiently on its own. But in conditions like diabetes or insulin resistance, the process is interrupted, leading to high levels of blood sugar and potential health complications. And high blood sugar levels over time can lead to serious complications, including damage to our kidneys, damage to our heart, and other complications as well. But there are many natural remedies and herbs that we can use to help manage diabetes. So if you already have diabetes, what can we do about it? We're going to talk about that right now. Let's talk about 5 natural herbs that you can start using today to help drop your glucose levels and manage them yourself. And they can be used for type diabetes 1 and 2. The first one is bitter melon. Okay, this is a natural insulin booster. And bitter melon is unique because it looks like a wrinkled cucumber and is known for its blood sugar lowering effect. So it's very efficient in helping to maintain blood sugar levels. It also contains compounds that acts like insulin, which also helps glucose to move into your cells. Here's how you can use bitter melon. You can drink it as a tea, or you can take it as a supplement, or you can even eat it. You can eat it cooked, however you prefer. Number 2 is cinnamon, which is a good blood sugar stabilizer. Cinnamon isn't just used for, putting in your food, helping to flavor it. It can also help improve insulin sensitivity, and it also helps to slow down the absorption of sugar in our bloodstream. Cinnamon also helps to decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal. It also contains cinnamaldehyde, which helps to improve insulin sensitivity as well. And it also helps the body to respond better to insulin. And cinnamon also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties as well that also help to reduce oxidative stress, which is associated with diabetes. So keep that in mind when you're using cinnamon. Don't be afraid to use cinnamon in your food and start taking it as a regular supplement. We already know that we use it in our food. You can sprinkle it over your food. I like to put it in my oatmeal when I eat oatmeal in the morning. You could put it in drinks, teas, however you prefer to take it. Just experiment with it. Look for Ceylon cinnamon, which shows the best results. And before I continue with this list, let's remember that diabetes is nothing new. Type 2 diabetes, for instance, it doesn't just appear or happen overnight. This is something that develops over time due to several factors. Those factors need to keep in mind so that you can learn to make changes. Unhealthy diet, eating too many processed foods like sugary snacks, sugary drinks, refined carbs. Those things are very unhealthy, which can lead to high blood sugar level spikes. Another thing that can cause diabetes type 2, a lack of exercise and physical activity. Physical activity helps our cells use insulin better, and a sedentary lifestyle makes it easier for blood sugar to build up if you're not moving your body more. So the body needs a way to release sugar. Being overweight, carrying extra fat, especially around the belly area, can also lead to insulin resistance. Chronic stress, excessive stressing out. Stress triggers certain hormones that can also raise blood sugar levels. Getting poor sleep, not getting enough sleep, can also mess with insulin production and make it harder for the body to manage blood sugar levels. So now that you know the causes of this condition, let's move on to the next herbal remedy that helps to fight diabetes. Okay, the next herb is berberine, which is great for regulating blood sugar. Berberine is a compound that is also found in herbs like golden seal and barberry. It also helps to lower blood sugar by improving insulin function and also by reducing sugar production in the liver. Studies have also been done on this herb too, and it suggests that it works similar to diabetes medications. It also helps to promote gut health, which also helps with diabetes management. You could take berberine supplements with meals, which helps to show the best results. Next herb is milk thistle, which helps to protect the pancreas. Milk thistle isn't just for liver health, it also helps to reduce insulin resistance, and it also helps to support pancreatic function, helping the body to regulate blood sugar better. It also contains silymarin, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect liver cells and improving liver function and also supporting insulin sensitivity. You can drink milk thistle as a tea or you can take it as a supplement, but look for silymarin extract. Next and the last herb is Gymnema sylvestre. It helps to destroy sugar literally. Gymnema is an amazing herb that helps to reduce sugar cravings as well. It also helps to lower blood sugar levels. It may even help to regenerate insulin producing cells in the pancreas. It also contains compounds that help to reduce blood sugar absorption within the intestines and also helps to enhance insulin production and activity. You can drink Gymnemia tea before you have meals, or you can take it as a supplement. And you can also take it a long term for blood sugar control. Let's remember that with anything that's health related, seek advice from a licensed healthcare professional. I am not a licensed physician and I am not in the position to give medical advice. Some tips to help you make some easy lifestyle changes for better blood sugar control and management. So along with using these powerful herbs, lifestyle changes can also make a huge difference in learning to manage and control our blood sugar levels. And some things we can do is eat more whole foods, focus on high fiber vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Make sure you try to avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. Moderation is key because we know that we're not going to completely eliminate it, but you can learn to manage how much you're consuming. Exercise, preferably if you can't do it daily, then at least a few times out the week. Even 30 minutes of walking that can help improve blood sugar levels. If you're into strength training, that helps to also build muscle, which also helps to improve insulin sensitivity. Make sure that you stay hydrated and drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water does help to flush out excess sugar from our body. Remember that you have to replenish because you can lose electrolytes as well. Also, make sure you get plenty of sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night if you can. This is going to help keep your hormones balanced. Stress raises blood sugar, so you could try learning how to do meditation. Try learning how to do deep breathing exercises. Try out exercises like yoga. These things help to keep stress in check. To sum it up, diabetes, we went over that it's a condition where the body is struggling to control blood sugar. And we know that unhealthy habits such as stress and poor diet contributes to type 2 and 1 diabetes. Bitter melon, cinnamon, berberine, milk thistle, and Gymnemia sylvester. These all can help support high blood sugar naturally. Making simple lifestyle changes, eat better, exercise a little bit more, try to get more sleep, try to reduce your stress levels. These are all play a huge role in combination. This will make a big difference. Thank you guys for staying this long through my video. Also, check out the links in my description for more helpful information. I'm going to link studies. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with someone who might need it, and also subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips and videos. Also, go check out my other health related videos that I've posted on my channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about this content. Which of these herbs have you ever used before, or if you would like to use them, let me know in the comments. Until then, you guys stay healthy and take care.